Hey everybody, it's Victoria from Great Canadian RV. I am looking at a 2023 Riverstone Signature Series 41RL. Since these are trailers that are, well, fifth wheels that are built for year-round Canadian living, lots of our clients are looking for what storage you're able to have. So I'm going to show quick exterior walk around. That's the water manifold. Really awesome. Since it separates all of your plumbing, so you can kind of switch things on and off for easy troubleshooting. And then here is your cabinet, built in. Everything nice and clean, nice and tidy. Okay. All right, let's go walk around the exterior here. Here's the other end of that large pass-through storage, or everyone likes to call the second bedroom space. And because this is a fully fully steel frame, and including the upper deck, you're able to have two 40-pound propane tanks. So when you're on the road for an extended period, that's going to really make the difference to give you the propane without having to, upgrade or go and fill up all the time. Frameless windows, and they're actually armless awnings as well on this unit. And this has 4 clear coat covers. So this is smooth. So what they do is every time they put a decal on, they do another clear coat. So they want to have it as a smooth finish. Really outstanding unit. With the ladder there. Okay, we're gonna head on in. All right, everyone, now we are inside the 41RL. So when you walk in, you have this, I don't know what you want to call it, a tree hook, but you got hooks there, seat there. I love it. They have all this storage along here. Your command center's tucked away in there. Great storage there. There's where they put that Dyson. And I don't know if I'm tall enough to reach. Yep, perfect. Oh, there we go. And more storage up there. Perfect. Don't got my heels on today, so okay. All right, so they have a waterfall cabinet island, gorgeous stainless steel sink, stainless steel faucet. You have this crazy cool circular table with moving like the chairs. This also has bar stools that go here. There's 2. This is genuine leather seats, so they have great theater seats and a tri-fold sofa and an ottoman. It's kind of, you can put this ottoman this way or this way. I've had those opened up so you can see all the deep storage. It's all one continuous storage area there. And this is a Euro contemporary cabinetry, which you're going to see a lot different than traditional Riverstone construction. All right, we got a fireplace there and a TV. Okay, ooh. Look at all this storage. This is the best part, I swear, about this unit. And they also have a hidden compartment right there. So if you want to hide your passports or something special, you can just tuck it away there. We've opened up the cabinets on the island. So this is great. Great storage. You have a dishwasher. You have a trash receptacles there, nice and built in. Got some candy in there already. And there we are. That's awesome. Okay. Beautiful fridge and cabinetry all along. And then even open up this, we've got built-in shelving, and then we have drawers at the bottom that all pull out. Nice and easy. They really think of everything, because the clients that are purchasing this are pretty much just going to be living in this full time. All right, we're going to head up the stairs here. Your bathroom. Large shower with a beautiful skylight. Hey guys! And then we have your sink there. We got drawer. Open that up. And then we got additional storage over here. Whee! There we go. Alrighty, okay, we're gonna head out. Oh, can you guys guess what's behind this? Yes, washer and a dryer. And I love that they have it on the lower, because then they have a built-in shelf up top. So perfect for your baskets or for your towels to have all, storage for your linens. Okay, let's head into the bedroom. So the bedroom has a slide out on my left here. There we go. Nice deep storage with a hanging rack there. More additional hanging. Make sure your clothes don't get wrinkled while you're on the road. There, all below as well. Here is your slide out king bed, plug-ins on either end. Great, beautiful. I love the bedspread that they have come from the factory. And here is that nook. This is the famous nook for the 41RL. Beautiful chair there. There's a reading light. You have a fireplace, and there's a little office. Your Go Power display is right there as well. And this is just great little office space, great little work area if you need to kind of separate yourself from your spouse when you're on the road. This really offers both ends here. So we do have this trailer available at Great Canadian RV, so just click the link and you can find out more information. Thanks, guys.